Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Curious Palate. This is Vidya Shivalingam. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Pancakes are one of the best breakfast dishes. And if you can make them at home, just like the ones available at the restaurant, then it's even better. Today, we will see how to make super fluffy and soft pancakes with just regular pantry items available at home. This will probably be the only recipe you will ever need to make pancakes. After multiple trials and experiments, this is my favorite recipe for pancakes. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make these fluffy pancakes, all that we need are 3/4 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg which is optional, half a cup of milk and 40 ml of melted butter. Take a large bowl and add in the all-purpose flour or maida. You can switch to wheat flour for an healthier option. Next, we add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This might look like a lot, but don't worry, this is what makes them fluffy. Also, baking powder is different from cooking soda or baking soda, which we usually add in very small quantity. Next, we add in a pinch or two of salt. Always add salt to any dessert or sweet dish that you prepare. Salt helps in amplifying the sweetness of a dish and also creates a multi-layered taste. Give this a quick mix and set aside. Take another bowl. To this bowl, add in half a cup of milk or buttermilk if you're using baking soda. Next, we add in melted butter. Make sure this is at room temperature, otherwise it might end up scrambling the egg. Followed by 1 teaspoon vanilla extract in order to mask the smell of egg, which means you can also skip this if you're skipping the egg. Lastly, we add in 1 egg and this is optional. Replace the egg with 30 ml of milk. Using a fork, mix the wet ingredients until combined. Now pour this liquid mixture into the dry ingredients bowl and carefully mix these two together. Do not overmix or beat in order to avoid the gluten formation, which might end up making your pancakes tough and dry. I use the cut and fold technique just to make sure that I do not overmix. Just mix them until no lumps are found anymore. Heat a cast iron skillet if you have one, or take a non-stick pan and place it on medium heat. Add in half a tablespoon of butter and let it melt and coat your pan well. Use a measuring cup or a ladle to scoop in the batter and pour it onto the pan. Let it spread on its own. Now patiently wait for the bubbles to form on top of the pancake before you flip it. It's now time to flip the pancake and let it cook on this side as well. And your super fluffy, soft and yummy pancakes are ready. This batch makes up to 5 pancakes, so feel free to multiply and make as per your requirements. The best part about these pancakes is that it does not become tough or chewy even when it's cold. And this is because we did not mix the batter vigorously and no gluten was formed. That's it for today's video. Post comments on any queries you have and I will make sure to answer them as early as possible. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, please share this video and subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon so you do not miss another update. Bye bye and take care.